Hey, let's see what we're doing here every day. This is the best quality brown hair, and based on this color hair you can dye to different colors. You can dye it back to the natural black color. You can dye it to the 27, and you can dye to these colors, different colors. It's kind of crazy busy every day because people are coming back to us to buy hair frequently. So as you guys can see that I post my moves. Not that kind of frequently like before on Instagram because too much work here every day. This one, I always tell people that don't judge the person by his look. Don't judge the person by his look. So it's the same meaning. Don't judge the hair by its look. Because many vendors, they use Photoshop to make the photos very nice looking on their stores. So don't judge the hair by its look. When you get this brown hair, this one to the brown hair, you take one of my bundle out and take the other bundle from another vendors and you color it. You color to different colors and see how it moves. You will find out my hair can last much longer time. My hair can last longer time and dye color much better. And people are saying that's why we are replying messages so slow, because there is a flood of messages from different people. And remember, call me. Always call me. If you see we reply messages slow, just call me, then we will see you, because there is a big flood of messages every day. Very important. Remember one video I show you guys, this one? See? You can see almost no short hair like this. Almost no short hair. This is the super full John Remy hair with the least short hair. That means almost no short hair. The super full John Remy hair. Remember Remy hair. A lot of American people, they buy this hair every day. Very important. This material is not the best material to me, but they love this material. But this material is the best. And this material is my whole single donor virgin hair. The single donor virgin hair is with the more or less short hair. Not like the super full John Remy hair. Almost no short hair on the top. This material is the best Meho single donor virgin hair with more or less short hair on the top, but it can color much better and last much longer time. So actually sometimes people, they feel confused which one they need to choose. Actually both are good, but if you want to color light brown like this, if you want to color light brown like this, you must choose our Meho single donor virgin hair, even though it has more or less short hair on the top. But if you don't need to color to 613 brown hair, you buy this hair to resell. It's much better this time. Actually this video is just a free talk because I feel like I don't post my mood on Instagram frequently like before. So this video is a short talk, free talk. We have more videos like 30 minutes more than 30 minutes video I haven't posted. That is very important video. Just pay attention. I have two videos. Most importantly, I have two videos. Most importantly, I haven't posted on YouTube channel. You guys see it, you can learn a lot. Remember the call. Remember the call. If you see reply slow, so don't say, hey, we don't want your money. We don't want your money. It's not that we don't want your money, because there's a big flood of messages. I keep telling you guys that if you want to save your time, just order from our website. Simple order, you can buy from our website. It's faster and much better to you on our website. Simple order, like you buy bundles, natural black color, 613 colors, closure frontal, simple orders. You buy from our website. It's much faster because we have some guy to handle the orders on the website. Once we see someone pays on the website, we ship here immediately. That's faster, rather than you wait for us to reply on WhatsApp or WeChat or emails. So we will post more videos on YouTube. But see you then.